A huge and historic legal victory for the LGBTQ community. The Supreme Court ruled employers cannot discriminate against workers based on sexual orientation or gender status. Justices ruled these workers are protected by a key provision in the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which makes sexual discrimination illegal. The ruling allows people who are gay or transgender to sue for workplace bias. Missouri is one of several states without a law protecting LGBTQ employees from workplace discrimination. The conservative-leaning court's decision was somewhat of a surprise to St. Louis County Police Lieutenant Keith Wildhaber, whose own case of discrimination ended with a $20 million jury verdict in his favor. Tonight he shares his reaction to the Supreme Court decision with our Christine Byers.
Keith Wildhaber sued the St. Louis County Police Department in January 2017, saying then Chief John Belmar's administration was refusing to promote him because he is gay. But Missouri is one of the states where that kind of discrimination is legal. So his attorneys used one of the state's existing laws that bans discrimination based on gender stereotyping to win.
For people that are going through the same thing you went through, what does this mean?
It's nice now looking forward that the Supreme Court has issued this opinion, and that argument that a state law doesn't protect you will be a moot point because the federal law is now on the side of the LGBTQ employee.
Wildhaber said he was somewhat surprised about the High Court's ruling given its conservative makeup. But he said the October 2019 verdict in his own case gave him hope.
Seeing a very diverse jury that we had issue their verdict, it gave me a lot of faith in humanity and the fact that the public perception has changed and the public opinion's changed, and I felt like we were on the right side of history.
What was your reaction when you read the news?
When you stop and think that fewer than half the states in our nation protect gay rights in the workplace, and now it's the law of the land, it's pretty monumental moment.
But he's also hoping no one will have to use it.
Hopefully the employees wake up and realize, hey, we can't do this anymore. It's wrong. And now the court agrees that it's wrong.
Christine Byers, 5 on your side.
Keith Wildhaber is now the commander of the St. Louis County Police Department's Diversity and Inclusion Unit. To learn more about how he believes the department has changed since his verdict, you can read Christine's full report on KSDK.com.